In this video, we're going to continue talking about clarification. Clarify, clarify, clarify. I can't stress that enough. So next, you want to repeat the solution. Okay? So now we know exactly what the request is. We know the outcome they're after. Now we want to know that your solution is going to make sure that they leave happy. Your customers are not always right, but they always leave happy. Okay? So we're going to repeat the solution and all of its details to the customer. Okay? So here's what we were able to do for you. It's X, Y, Z. Okay? And you spell it out. You spell it out for them so that there's no question about what it is that you're going to do for the client or the customer. Okay? You don't want to gloss over anything. Number two, check in with the customer. See their reaction to the solution, right? So now you're going to be really looking for those verbal or nonverbal cues, right? So you're listening for those verbal cues. You're looking for those nonverbal cues. What are verbal and nonverbal cues? So are they sighing, right? Or are they like, oh, I just can't believe it, right? And they're upset. Or a nonverbal cue, close down. Or are they frowning, like just, right? So you have to pick up on that. So you want to check in with the customer to see the reaction. You want to clarify that what you're doing is going to make them happy. Simple, right? Good. So you might say something like, so to confirm, we will be providing this solution. Ask them, does that work for you? Or how do you feel about that? And then you pay attention. Listen to the words they tell you. Watch them process that information. Look at how they're looking at it. Are they breathing shallow? Are they upset? Are they talking to somebody else? Or are you moving in the right direction where they're shaking their head? Like, yeah, that sounds fair, right? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is better than what I would have come up with. Okay? So you want to know, you want to clarify, right? And you clarify by repeating the solution. Repeat the solution and all of its details to the customer. Check in with the customer to see their reaction to the solution, right? Verbal and nonverbal cues. So to confirm, we will be providing this solution, right? Or does that work for you? Or how do you feel about that? Okay, make sense? Good. You guys got this. I'm going to see you on the next video.